Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at greenshift's block that's called heading with circle number. So this is a mini-series taking a look at greenshift's blocks individually. To get started, let's open a brand new blank page to focus on just this one type of block. So there's a couple ways to do this. If you're logging in with your username and password, you'll end up on your dashboard. Go on your left-hand sidebar, hover down to Pages, and click on Add New Page. Alternatively, if you're already logged in and you're on your website itself, you'll have the Stop toolbar, hover over New, and click on Page. That's going to open up a brand new blank page for us to work on and take us to the WordPress block editor. Okay, so once we're here, just some housekeeping before we get started. We have the Publish button over here, and beside that we have the Settings button. Make sure to click that if this right side panel hasn't appeared yet. This is where we will adjust all of our settings for the block. Next, let's go ahead and give ourselves a name for this page. Let's say circle number heading test. Okay, now we can actually add the block we want to use. Now there's this blue button over here with the plus icon called the block inserter. Go ahead and click on that, and we can search circle heading number, or we can scroll down here to GreenShift elements, and we will see heading with circle number. So let's drag and drop that over here, and you can see we have a number heading with a circle number. And if we added a bunch over here, they will automatically number themselves. So let's say we have 3 steps, 4 steps. It's going to load up on here, and I'm happy with that. So let's go ahead and click on X over here to give us some space to work with, and let's start with the first one. Now we have a few options over here. We can set up alignment. We can set up text color and everything, just like any other heading block. And then for this one, we can change it to we can change it to letters A, B, C, D, but we'll stick with our defaults. Now let's take a look at what we have over here. Now we have block classes. We can change how they look like. We can change how they act, right? But let's take a look at how to set them up first. So we can change our heading tag to 1, 3, 5. We can enable an animated heading over here, right? Let's say step 1, right? Step. Let's say ingredients to, and then let's say this prepare, or should I? Okay, there. Ingredients to prepare. And we can, yeah, there you go. And then we can also change the animation duration and so on and so forth. We can also add dynamic text depending on what we're doing with this. Next, we have our animated text typography, right? Where we can change the color to, let's say, blue, right? Ingredients to prepare. We can change the color, the font size, font weight, and then the decoration, right? And you can change a custom font. And then next we have typography, which is just selecting the regular text color. Okay. And we can also change design and alignment and so on with that. We can change the background color to, actually maybe this one would be fine. There you go. We can change the background color over there, or we can change the background image. We can change the spacing, it's just the same as everything else, margins and padding. We can add a border to it. Okay. We can add a shadow to it as well. And we can change the size in general, but the automatic one should suffice. And here is where we change our extra heading element. So we can enable or disable it from here if we wanted to. But if you were going to disable it, you might as well just use heading advanced. Number in circle, line, dash, dotted, zigzag, or number in circle. And we can change the number here. It doesn't have to be a number. We can add a shadow to it in particular. We can add fill color. We can add border color. Make it black if we wanted to. And then we can put it or put it on both sides. But before is fine. We can also change the vertical alignment for these. The color of the actual number. We can change the stroke width of the border and the actual size of the icon. You can also change the margin spacing. So I can make this 27 and it's gonna, 27, and that's gonna push it out even more. And we can also change the black spacing, which is the margin and padding for everything else. And then the subtitle text, we can enable or disable that. And you can change the font size, color, and decorations. Finally, we have our advanced options here, which are our animations for the heading and our other CSS transformation, position options, anchor, and responsiveness settings. So we can enable or disable this on desktop, tablet, and mobile if you so wanted to. So let's go ahead and add other steps over here. So step 2 would be chopping your ingredients, preheating your pan, and finally plating. Okay, we're missing a step here, I know, but let's just go with this and see how this looks like with just changing the elements here and one that we've customized to our liking. So let's go ahead and click on publish to save our work. Okay, so this is how it looks like on our site. We have this one that we've customized. We've changed the text color and added in some animated text, some background. We've customized the number over here, and we have our other headings over here. So that's using heading with circle number on GreenShift and WordPress. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.